Hello everybody, STech here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I painted my cardboard Nintendo Switch. I do have a few things to say about how I painted this, but before we get into those, I want to show you what this looks like close up. Okay, hopefully that close-up shot was helpful. So there's not much to talk about, like I said. I used turquoise, red, black, this layer gray. Put the logo on the back there, the front there. I did try to stencil on the logo, didn't work too well. I'd recommend just doing it with a little brush. I am not very good at writing letters with little brushes, I figured out. You probably saw I had paint over certain spots is black again because I messed up, because I'm not very good at that. One thing I do have to talk about, this right here is shiny, and that's because I use Mod Podge. Mod Podge I use in my video about how to make a book with a secret compartment. Click up there to go to that video. I made it shiny with the Mod Podge. Mod Podge is like a paint glue kind of thing. I painted it over the pages of this book to make this the book with the secret compartment. That's the only thing I could think of to make it shiny, so that's what I used. Also, if you have not built your own Nintendo Switch yet, which you totally should, click right there to go to the video about how to actually make it. It's a great video, has free templates. You can use those to make your very own Nintendo Switch. I think that's basically it. Not a whole lot to talk about in this video. I do hope you still enjoyed, though, because it's a fun video. So make sure to check out my channel where I have lots of other videos that are a lot more cool than this video, because this was just painting. Other ones have how to actually build stuff. So check out my channel, subscribe, and also turn on notifications, and I'll see you next time.